Yes, I am still alive, and it is time for another system test. Let's get started. So I know I'm supposed to do fire alarm fails. I'm so sorry I haven't gotten to that. That will come out very soon, I promise. And I apologize for my inactivity. I've just been super busy with life. But as of now, I have the chance to come back. So we're going to do a quick system test here. And we have some really big changes that I'm pretty excited about. So up here, whoa, that's different. So I actually ended up taking down that whole panel setup that I had before and redoing it and putting it in this sprinkler box that I found at the restore not too long ago. So up here we have this Sunwind wire security panel powering the whole thing, and then over here we have everything that was in those like 3 different boxes all into one box, which is pretty cool. I know this is a red light. I wanted it to be a green light, but my green light burned out. But that means there's power to the system. Over here, this is the alarm light, and then this is the silence light. Future plans for this, I'm going to put in the Bluetooth module right here. As you can see, I still have the casing in there. So I can have speaker strobes on this system. Up here is a fire drill button, a silence button, and a reset button. So that's that. That's the new panel as of now. And then this junction box is just a main power connector there, so I can just power individual alarms if I wanted to. Going over to the devices, we have the Potter T-Bar still. I haven't switched that out since last test. I kind of like it up there. And here, of course, we have the ZRS. Nothing's changed there. And then up here on the wall, we have a Wheelock Exceeder. This one is, I believe I have it set on low volume today, I'm not sure. But there it is. Had it for a while. Going over to the other end of the garage, we have a key switch. I still haven't swapped this out. I got a BG12 right there. Maybe I'll swap that out during this test. And up here, hey, this is new. So I found one of these Bell Strobe plates not too long ago at Restore and snagged it. And I don't have a bell that will fit the mounting holes for that or has the proper voltage. So I decided to put my MT without the strobe up, and it is set on the bell tone. So that's what's up there today, and I think it looks pretty cool. So we have kind of a Wheelock system up today, kind of fun. Why don't we go ahead and we're going to start with the Potter T-Bar. Here we go. Wow, I think I have it set on high volume. You can barely hear the Exceeder. And you may have noticed that I have a buzzer in this panel now, which is kind of neat. I'll probably get annoyed with it and disconnect it next test, but it's fun for now. And I need a key to reset this. I decided to organize my life and buy a new toolbox. So now, if I get all my fire alarms off of it, I have all my tools in an organized fashion, which is pretty cool. Hopefully this is the right Allen wrench. Alrighty, hopefully this one works. Yep, works great. There that is, and we'll go ahead and reset. Alright, and I guess we're gonna go ahead and do the key switch. You know what? This was up here last time and I'm bored. We're gonna swap it out real quick. Here we go. And we can go ahead and go back to our pull station and reset it. And we'll go ahead and do a system reset. All right, and we're gonna go ahead and run a, ooh, I see my other ZNS here. You know, as if the system wasn't loud enough, why don't we go ahead and put this in the bathroom just for fun today, make this system a little extra colorful. So you didn't learn this from me, don't ever do this in a public building, it's highly illegal. But to remove this, all you gotta do is stick a screwdriver in the side holes and it pops right off. And then, let's tighten this a little bit, this is a little loose. All you have to do is you have to grab the other device and just snap it into place. Just like that. Here we go, fire drill time with some extra noise. And on that very, very loud note, I think that will conclude it for today's system test. Thank you so much for watching. Like the video, leave comments, and of course, oops, I still need to learn how to reset this. Which one? I'll learn eventually. And with that being said, like the video, leave comments, and of course, subscribe to the channel.